In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious air-fried apple chips. These apple chips are crispy and packed with warm cinnamon flavor, perfect as a snack, dessert, or topping for your favorite dish. Here's everything you need for this recipe. 2 large apples. Today I'm using Granny Smith for their natural sweetness, firm texture and a tart flavor. 1 tablespoon of olive oil to help the seasoning stick and add richness. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for warmth and depth of flavor. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to enhance the natural sweetness. A pinch of salt to balance the flavors. A sharp knife and cutting board. A mixing bowl and an air fryer with trays. First, we need to wash the apples under cold running water to remove any dirt or residue. Then pat them down with a clean towel or paper towels. Next, cut the apples into even half rings. You can do full rings or wedges if you like. Just keep them uniform in size, helps them cook evenly in the air fryer. You can also leave the skin on for extra fiber and texture. That's what I'm doing here. Or peel them if you prefer a softer bite. Now let's go ahead and season the apples. I'm going to spray them with olive oil, add cinnamon, brown sugar and a pinch of salt. The cinnamon gives the apples that classic warm spiced flavor, while the olive oil helps everything sticks and adds richness. Give it a good mix, making sure every slice is well coated. This will give us that perfect caramelized finish once air fried. Now arrange the apples in a single layer on the air fryer trays. Avoid overlapping them so they can cook evenly and get that slight crispiness on the edges. Once the apples are arranged, place the trays back into the air fryer. I'm using a tray styled air fryer which allows for even air circulation and consistent cooking. Set the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to flip the apples for even caramelization. After about 15 minutes, our apple chips are done. You can just see how crispy they look. You can enjoy these as is or add them to yogurt, oatmeal or even serve with ice cream for a delicious treat. And that's how you make air fried apple chips. What seasonings do you like? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy air fryer recipes.